All right, so I have been asked if I can make people a mask or if I can sell them to people, and I have no interest in making these in bulk or selling them, but I will leave a link to a pattern and also the video that I copied the pattern off of. And it is triple layered, so there's a cotton flannel layer in the middle, and then both sides are a different color cotton. And then it's got a wire in the nose, so it holds it tight to your nose, and it's also fairly long. I find that it helps not fog up my glasses as much if it's all the way up, like almost to your eyeballs. And then it has this shape that keeps it off your mouth, which I find more comfortable. It's fairly easy to flip it to the other side. And then you can wear it with a green outfit. Like that.
Cut out your paper pattern, choose 2 colors of fabric, and then trace 2 of each color, making sure to flip the paper pattern over for the second one of the same color. You need 1 or 2 of each color, and you need to flip it. It's easy to make a mistake there and do 2 on the same side because you flip it and then you rotate it and you forgot you flipped it, so you flipped it again. I recommend putting an X on one side so that you know to do 1 piece of fabric with the X on one side and 1 piece of fabric with no X. I put a 3rd layer in mine because my roommate said it was better. Do what you want. It's a pain to stuff in there. Mine is an old piece of cotton flannel. Apparently natural materials like cotton as opposed to polyester have fluffier fibers and are better filters. Don't quote me on that though, I'm not a doctor. Best sides facing each other, pin them together along the curved edge. Next we're going to sew that edge. You can hand sew it or do it by machine, whichever's easier. Just checking if it fits here. Iron the seams to one side. I chose to iron my seams on either side so that they will meet up opposite and it will be smoother on both sides instead of bulky on one side. Alright, turn the seams onto the outside so the colorful good side should be on the inside, and pin them inside out along each edge, and then we are going to sew those edges closed. Flip it inside out by giving it a good shake. Now we're ironing it to crisp up the edges so that we can continue sewing. pretty good, nice and straight and crisp. Here's that third layer of flannel that I'm sticking in there to help it be a better filter. This is a nightmare. Good luck with this. Do your best. Try and get it to the edges as much as you can, and then we're going to sew it from the outside onto each of those edges. When you've got it as good as you think you're going to get it, pin it with pins, and then we're going to sew it in place. Hopefully you're going to hit it when you sew through it enough that it stays put if it goes through the wash. I decided that this green showed up on the yellow side a little too much, so I'm going to choose a yellow for the other side for sewing. The other side shut. So yeah, I'm choosing a yellow here because I think it'll match better. Oh yeah, I decided to seam rip out that whole first seam because the green was showing up too much and decided on yellow. So I took it out entirely and replaced it with yellow. Here I am putting a darker thread in the bobbin so that the green side will show up with that dark green. Because in a sewing machine, you're using 2 threads instead of hand sewing with 1 thread, so you can make it 2 different colors on the top and the bottom. And now you've made a channel on both sides, and so you can put the wire in the nose side. I chose like 3 inches of wire. It seemed to work well. It keeps it tighter to your face. This is a bit of a struggle, but you just gotta shove it in there and poke through until it fits. Now you can bend it to the shape of your nose once it's in there, but I also recommend giving it a little try on to make sure that it's the right shape that you want or the right length of wire that you want. And then while you're trying it on, figure out what length of elastic you need to have it go around your ears properly as well. This part's kind of hard. I'm folding each of the edges down so that it's a nice neat seam. The raw edges are inside now, but also putting the elastic in each corner and pinning it as I do that. And then we're going to sew it straight across and sew that elastic in there.
Yeah. All right, check if it's comfortable on your ears and if you need to make that elastic shorter. Mine feels fine, but you might want to cut your elastic a little bit. You might want to cut your elastic a little bit longer than you think you might need if you're worried it's going to be too short, because you can always shove the tails farther in here, but you cannot make your elastic any longer once you've already cut it. But this seems fine for me. Now I'm going to sew it along this edge. So this is all tied on. We're going to test again. I'm going to put some pleats like that on both sides. And then try it again. So I'm actually going to pleat it like that. Stick a safety pin through. Like that. That seems okay. Now I'm going to hand sew it. I'm going to hand sew it because it's a little thick right here. That's a lot of layers of cloth, and it's not really good for the sewing machine motor to do that. And also you get a little bit more control when you hand sew. Just flat down into a little pleat. So it looks like that. And hopefully this helps you make your own. I'm gonna leave a pattern in the description box, like a PDF pattern link. And there's gonna be 2 sizes. The smaller one is drawn inside the bigger one. I actually had to make a bigger one because my partner has like a big beard and he's kind of got a longer face. But I think that this size should work for most adults. If you want to do a child one, I would, try something maybe a centimeter inside the pattern that I have for this one. It depends on how big the child is, like how old they are. So I definitely recommend, before you do all the work sewing up all the seams, like sew them together. That first step where I sewed the pieces in the middle, and just put that up to your kid's face and see if that's at all close to what they need.
This step, make only one side and see if the pattern needs to be altered from here before you do any more work on it.
This is how it fits. And you can just go around like this. You can wear glasses with them. And alrighty. Okay, bye forever.
Go forth and match all your outfits and make one in every color as a new fun accessory as well as a safety precaution.